Who the hell wants to drive a truck? So many videos on Section 179, 6,000 pounds, write it all off for business. You want to drive a sports car? Here's how you write off a two-seater. You gotta use it for business, so start buddying up with your clients. And you have to spread the write-off over multiple years. The IRS gives you annual depreciation limits. Year 1 is 18,000, year 2 is 16, year 3, 9.7, and year 4 and onwards are 5.8 until you depreciate the car all the way to zero. Don't forget to write off gas, insurance, interest on the loan, and those tires that you burn through. But writing off your car is a rookie move, so follow my page and learn how to pay zero taxes.